Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome back if you are not new. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about some bag organizers that I have that were sent to me from Zumani, and I actually want to talk about these because I do want to compare them to the AliExpress ones that I did buy, which I actually did toss out. I shouldn't have done that, but I should have kept it before just so I could show you guys the quality and everything. But I just have to say that I really do love these. So I first wanted to show you guys what bag I'm using right now, and this is just the Montsuri backpack, and I can do a what's in my bag, but it is completely freaking filled. I don't know if you can see that, but it does carry so much in it, so I can do a what's in my bag if you guys are interested. Just give this video a thumbs up and then I will know to film that. So I actually have the bag organizer for my Neverfull GM and also for my Speedy B25. I know that some people actually thought that this was an MM and they were like, are you sure that's authentic? Are you sure it's a GM? Like, why would I say it's not a GM? Why would I say it's a GM if it's not? Like, that doesn't make any sense. But anyway, the way that you can tell is that the MM actually has two LV logos in the center, and the GM only has one. And I did measure it and everything. I already took it in stores to authenticate it. I think people assume that it was like fake just because I got it from like a consignment seller, but I don't really care. That's on you. Like, I'm not stressing out whether my bag is fake or not because I know it's real. Anyway, so the organizer that I have for it is this one. I believe this is a beige color. I'm not exactly sure what the color name is, but I will leave it on the screen here so you guys can see that. I did get this one just because it is the one for the Neverfull. I do wish that they had one that was the exact same color as the interior, as you can see here, because that is the exact color that I got from the AliExpress one. Now this one I can say is a lot softer. So basically for the AliExpress one, it had a lot of unfinished parts on the top, and it actually felt like they were melted plastic like on the top just to seal in the fabric, and I didn't like that feeling. I always scratched my hand every time I reached in to grab something, and the Zumani ones are actually a lot softer and they feel a lot more plush and just more well made. And then I like that this pocket is a lot bigger than the AliExpress one. I do find that it holds a lot more, it's a lot deeper, and this one is a little bit bigger than the AliExpress one. And they considered the one that I had for my Neverfull prior, they considered it to be an extra, or no, just a large. So it didn't fit perfectly in my Neverfull. It was a little bit small, but this one fits perfectly inside. And I also like it because it has two little water bottle compartments, and I can carry like a Starbucks in one and then my water bottle in one, just because I always like to have waters with me. Yeah, I'll show you guys in a second how I would fill this up. That is what it is looking like. I just have a hand sanitizer in here. So the organizer has 6 compartments. These 3 here, and then these 3 down here, and then it has 2 water bottle compartments here, so you can carry, like I said, a Starbucks or a water bottle in one of them. And then it has 3 pockets on the outside, 1, 2, 3, as you can see there. And then this one is just a big open slot, and I like this for flight tickets and stuff. I also have my Google AdSense tax stuff in here. I don't know why that's in there. A Louis Vuitton sales associate card. Yeah, so that's what I keep in here, and I think it's perfect for traveling just because you can throw all your documents in this little slot and you already know where it is. So I love that. I also have just a toothbrush in here just in case. This is more for like my travel bag. I actually don't bring my Neverfull with me on like a day-to-day basis. I do bring my GM Dami Ibin just because that one is for work, so I do carry that one with me all the time, every day for work. So yeah, I do really like that. But as for my monogram one, I actually don't carry it around with me just because I'm really scared of the Washetta like getting water spots and stuff on it. So I do just like it for like if I had to go to my aunt's house to do my hair and my makeup, then I would take that bag with me with an extra outfit. Also, I just wanted to show you guys my mug. Look at it. How cute is that? It says, oh, sorry Luna. It says, all I need in my life is coffee and mascara. Which is true, but I wish mascara said like lashes because I love lashes. I just have my green tea in here. I drink green tea every single morning and every single night. It really helps with like detoxing your body, and it also helps with your metabolism. So,
sorry,
it's okay.
Fancy, look good.
Thanks. So this is what the organizer looks for my Speedy B25. I just have a Costco gas card. I have a Sephora receipt. And then I also have a Chick-fil-A receipt. I have a makeup brush in here. So I just wanted to show you guys what this one looks like. This one has 2 pockets on the outside, 1 water bottle slot, 4 slots on the inside, and then it also has a pocket that goes all the way down that you can use for receipts, for your cards, for passports, whatever it may be. It does have that as well. I think this is the cutest thing ever. Yeah, I really like it. I also want to note that the Zumani organizers also come with a little card I guess this would be like for like a card case, I would say, if you don't have a wallet, or if you just want something to have your cards really quick and then you can just slip it out and just go and buy your stuff, you know. I would probably put coins in there. It fits in my Speedy perfectly, so I will also show you guys what that one looks like in the Speedy B25 because I think everybody wants to see that. So I will go ahead and do a different view for you guys so you guys can see directly into the bag. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, you guys, so let me fix this camera angle. So I actually just wanted to show the Speedy B25 because the Neverfull one is pretty much the same from my last Neverfull video. I just did a what's in my Neverfull that'll be linked up top right here so you guys can check that out. I don't want to do one again just because the Neverfull is really big and it's a little complicated. So anyway, we'll just go ahead and do this one. So the first thing I have here are some hairbands. So I'm just going to go ahead and plop them right in here because I need them for easy access. And I'm just going to empty everything out of this bag to go in my Speedy organizer. So in this pocket, I will put in my wet ones, as you guys can see there. So I'll put that right in there because I like sanitizing stuff. And then I just have my mini pochette, so that will fit right in there. I also have my Victorine wallet, my Damier Ebene coin, This is my Damier Ebene coin pouch, so I'm just going to put this right in here. I have my Kiehl's hand lotion, which will go right in here. Not a problem. I have my Agave Lip Mask from Bite Beauty, and I really like this because it's super moisturizing, so I'm just going to stick that right in here. I like grabbing it easily. Then I have my hand sanitizer, which will go in this back pocket here. So you guys can see that. This is my external charger, which I will put right behind my mini pochette. Then I have 2 tampons here. I will just put them right in here, just for easy access. So I don't have to zip stuff and unzip stuff if I need them. I can just grab them and go. And then the last item I have are my sunglasses, and that will just go right on top. So that is everything that I would put in my Speedy B25 organizer. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe down below if you aren't already. If you guys want to check out what I have in my Neverfull, then that will be linked up top so you guys can check that out easily and you guys can see what I carry in there. So yeah, that's everything in here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to check out Zumani, I will have them linked down below, as well as a coupon code, I believe. I think I have one, but I'm really not sure. But if I do have one, it'll be linked down below. I really like these. They're super soft and plush. And what I meant by when my AliExpress ones were plastic, they had like a little melted plastic lining on here just to kind of keep it structured, I guess. But I liked it a lot softer. So I do really love this one, and it really holds its shape. It keeps the shape of your Speedy. Not that mine has any sag to it or anything because this is the Speedy B25. So I find that it keeps its shape on its own, but if you just want something that can keep the shape even more and really have it just be super structured all the time, because sometimes mine can kind of, okay, let me show you. Sometimes my Speedy can kind of just cave in like this if I don't have a lot of things in it, which I don't really like the look of it, but I don't really care that much. I kind of just throw whatever I want in there. And then this one will definitely keep the shape of your bag if you want it completely squared all the time. Yeah, these are all of my essentials. These are just some sunglasses from Chanel. I don't know if I've ever showed you guys these, but these are what they look like. And I like it because this part, it's like, I don't know, it kind of has like a spring in it, so it kind of just bounces back. But these are super cute and they're polarized, so I really love them. The style number is, I really don't know, but that's what it says right there, so you guys can see that. But yeah, so that is everything that I keep in my Speedy bag. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video once again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!